Welcome to Format, the platform designed for creatives. Workflow is a studio management solution that provides you with a wide range of tools to help you manage your business. In the Overview tab, you can add new clients, client proofing galleries, file transfers, and more. And you can see a summary of all recent activities, such as responses to messages, favoriting and downloading activity from your client galleries, and more. The Inbox tab will let you track messages from your contact form on your portfolio website. From the Mailing List tab, you can track additions to your mailing list and download this list to be used on any email messaging service. The Clients tab will allow you to add new clients and track activity with existing clients. You can also add labels to your client summary to help you record progress on your projects. Client Galleries allows you to send private galleries of images to your clients for proofing and sharing. Under the Settings tab for your client gallery, you can enable restricted size downloads, full-size downloads, or prevent downloading altogether. You can also enable favoriting so that each client can mark their favorite images from a project. Add watermarks to your images for added security. Within your client gallery, you can also toggle the activity button to see how your clients are interacting with your project. You can filter the activity by email address to see how each unique client is interacting with your images. This makes it easy to work on proofing with multiple clients on the same project. To change the look and layout of your client galleries, open the Advanced Theme settings and scroll down to the area for Client Galleries. Here you can change the size of your thumbnails, the layout of your grid, and more. The Documents tab allows you to set up and send contracts to your clients so that you can keep all of your information for a project in one place. Workflow will help you manage your client interactions from every step of the process. If you need help, our customer experience team is available to you 24/7 to help. Or you can access Format's library of help articles for guides on any of the tools on your Format dashboard. Thanks for using Format.